Is this love? Is this lust?
We are here to build this country. This country will be great again. Was it ever great? No, it will be great. May I live there again because the one won't they talk again. Yes, we are going to.
It's a patriotic citizen.
Very patriotic.
We are not leaving this country.
No, Papa, not leave. No, don't say you are not leaving this country.
We are not leaving this
country. You are who? You are fucking your wife, they hear you.
And the children, they hear you.
And the children, they hear you.
No, we are not leaving this country.
No, Nigeria will be great.
Yes.
Will be great.
Nigeria will be great.
Yes, it will be great. It will become the dream.
Amen. No.
But that your the conde.
I no can understand. No, but Nigeria will be great. If all you see, the truth is, for Nigeria to be great,
we all need to
not be for government handy day. Now our handy day. No, not deceive ourselves. You understand? Now our handy day, not be government handy day. If all everybody where they shout say I want Nigeria to be better, you to be better for yourself, your immediate community.
It starts from us.
It starts from
somebody
us.
send message say the person where na normal as in na person where they buy something from her hand or he hand, he just find out say the person cheater. Say the thing where the person sell for him for 31,000 naira. He just made try another person. That person sell him for 28,000. Say the thing is shock him. Say because you don't they buy from that person for a long time.
So for business, familiarity they bring disrespect.
And they bring cheating sometimes.
Yes, they bring cheating because I too they familiar with Becca or we don't they call each other old customer. You use that grant to cheat me because I don't too trust you as my customer. I not go doubt you when you give me price. So under that you go hide they chop me like one of my guy, like my guy when they sell part for me. I don't know this guy for like since I start to they use my Highlander.
Your tupe.
No, my Limpopo.
Okay.
Pathfinder. Now I take Sabian. So most time same parts can you just send con. So now recently I find out say this guy they add 10k and 20k depending on the part. Nothing less than 10k. So if I dey buy part of 20k, go say na 30k. I mean not the question because I just too trust. I'm saying send her con. Sometimes I go even add 5k join the money.
Can you imagine?
Because sometimes I go send her con. I not go send money until the devil feel some.
They talk this now, something just come.
So familiarity,
So how you take no?
Because
okay. So
how servicing motor go be 760,000. Anyway, continue.
You know, big man.
So continue.
So I can't tell and say make you bring one part come. He can't bring a con. He say na 30k. I can say okay, no problem. Oh yeah, so I can't show my mechanic. My mechanic can say no, not be the exact one for my car. Be the I can say no, you don't get that one. No. Now I can say made a return. So my mechanic can't give me another person. But I call your call. But the same market too. That one say na 15k.
And he tell you say na 30k.
He just tell me say na because say na if na me call am directly, you know my mechanic say for say na 20k na the official market price. But because na through my mechanic, he go sell am for me for 15k. That's 15k difference. Now my God, can I just say 10k different because if that guy was to sell it
you're not putting workmanship.
No, not being the fees, and I just to send me parts.
Okay, the part alone.
The part alone because I mean they buy my part myself.
And I in services in the. I just try to play devil's advocate for
no, that devil's advocate is too expensive. You get me?
He say it's too expensive.
So now I tell him me bring as he bring a con. So since then, what I do I fair corner to really how much be this? I want buy linkage for my car. He say now 35,000. I come market say 18,000.
It's 35.
You they see the difference.
Wow.
So now you're like, now wait till you don't do to me since then. Now be this because we don't too familiarize with ourselves. And at any point, I know they get that on top. Now so all these people when they buy something for your street, they madam, you don't agree. Say you not fit cheat me now. Papa Musa not fit cheat me. Mama Etusa not fit cheat me. And I go buy from her. But if you had left that woman and check on that place, you find out say price.
So your own will be 760,000 now. Make we help you ask the guy. Make her and call him. Ask him how much.
Wait, to service that they change. How many did they change? Now that one when huge. No,
that one go huge. The money.
If you don't say they want cheating, I mean like just 100k they put on top.
100k is not just so.
See the hour
100k don't be just so at this time. You talk what you want talk.
No, you don't calculate.
Tell her say ugbe. I don't waiting they tell her ugbe.
Agbo. So I think most time we all need to just be extra careful though when it comes to all these people when they deal with, especially when we don't do familiarize. When they use the word familiarize, like we don't know them for long, so we don't believe say they're not fit cheat us. Guess what? Now the people when they closer to you now they cheat you more.
Yes.
Than people far away, because those people far away they want to try build relationship with you.
Yes.
You get, but time go just put us cheat you too. Now just time.
Your time is coming.
Yeah. So the person want build trust, or you tell you say straight because this person so nice. Like you tell me the truth.
They wait for you for fraud.
They wait for you for fraud. So after like 2 months, you knock
it be like girls. It be like girls too.
The one will never be you, Abby.
The one will never be you.
I know so
Baba, the one will never be you. Girl will never be you. R&B self. Now you be the girl. Okay.
Yeah.
No, now you be the guy now. So you can't. You toast me now, say make I come your house. I don't come your house. I want go now.
Yes. Sir.
So now maybe the girl now. Oh yeah, tell me, R&B, but you go want give me money. R&B, all right now. We'll go talk later. Bye, baby.
Just take this for transfer.
I will send you something, or let me just give you something for transfer.
Stop now.
Take
Are you trying to tell me that I don't have money?
Oh, okay.
So wait. So I left my house. I came here. Come on.
No, I'm sorry. I just felt. Let me just.
I'm okay. Okay.
Okay. This girl, a good girl.
You understand? One. Then the second one. I'm back at the yell. 2 days later, he go call you. Baby, hi. Where are you?
I'm good.
Where are you?
I'm at home.
You're at home. Okay. Have you eaten?
Yeah, I took something like earlier.
Okay. Do you know? Okay, I'm coming. What would you like to have for dinner?
I don't mind. Maybe just French fries and chicken.
Okay, do you know what? I'm going to go to the market now. I'll buy everything. I'll come and make it for you. Okay.
That's so
See you
sweet.
later. Bye.
Tell your
Good
friends
wife,
again. I don't
My
see-
brother.
No, you go
My
tell your
brother.
friends, I don't see
It's
why.
now your budget today spend from. You know. Now your budget. She got budget for you. Baba wait. Then you go come for house for you. She go cook and finish for you. Baba.
You chop her food, chop the food.
You go chop her food. Then she won't come go. She go sleep over.
Yes, now.
Then she go tell you say she go go.
She never do laundry.
She go do laundry. Baba clean house, everything. Before you wake up in the morning, she don't tell you, okay, baby, I have to go to work. Even if you know they go work. I have to go. Then you go tell her, say, I take transport now. You go say, stop now. People have told you to stop this thing. Look, you think I'm after money. I'm not after money.
It's
Or
love.
use now. I be talk to you. Go don't they believe her.
No, you don't even tell your friends. Join.
I thought they announced to.
I
You know,
do.
go
You
listen
don't
for
tell your
like
friends.
1 month. I don't know this guy never collect 1
1
naira
naira.
from me. Those are called envy me. You don't
Papa, you don't meet. Then next week, the weekend, you say, paper, you are home. I'll be okay. Do you know? I'm coming to take you out. Let's go for dinner.
Okay.
And maybe do
FMT.
movies. Then she'll come carry perfume, buy perfume.
Can't give you as gift.
As gift. But when your budget now,
You never see anything.
never see anything.
It's
Then for your
coming.
mind, you now go they wait for opportunity to spend for
More.
her.
They don't prepare you.
They don't prepare you.
They don't cook
Then
you down.
one day,
Hello.
her phone go down ring. She don't play with her friend. You did it. Maybe una two you just chop her food finish. Since you have fun. See, I better tell that man we go pay the rent. Not be problem. Just give me till end of the month.
Consign me now.
It's not bad now. It
And
should be just
that fall
5. Should
in
be
your-
just
Yes,
5
now.
million. It's just 5 million. No problem. It's not a problem. Oh yeah, now later.
So now me as a man, I come.
My brother, talk to what you go do now.
You say, babe, are you
baby.
okay?
Are you okay?
It's
What's
okay
going
now.
on?
I'm alright. I'm alright.
No, talk
No,
to me.
talk to me. What I heard you.
Yeah.
Are
It's
you
okay.
No,
Am I
talk to me.
disturbing you?
No,
I
I
insist, talk
insist.
to me.
I insist.
Babe, it's okay.
Don't
bother.
worry. Talk to
Maybe
me.
you will have issues, oh.
No,
will have
nah.
issues, oh.
See, I'm here with you. I'm
Naija
here for
FM
you.
drama. Hollywood 101.
Babe, man, you will have issues.
Just why they ask this question now, I they calculate if she don't do all this thing for
For
me,
me.
what is 5 million?
What is 5 million? Hey, babe!
So how many mind they work now? Who I went try for the
Yes.
point things.
Yes.
Guess what? Instantly I'll send 6 million.
6 million. Thank you.
Or if you even 210.
My brother, you
Maybe
don't know,
times two.
say she don't calculate you keep
FMC.
for gram. You be now, and the budget when she
But-
spend on top of your head, if you not pass 200k.
Organic, you know, blame them too.
Investment.
Because girl, when they collect transport fee on time, now they complain.
My
Say
brother,
now,
you see,
now,
my
go
brother,
take
that
this
one dey
one.
better, oh.
The first time now they
You
complain.
see,
Say this one na Abin
you know
now.
why I not blame them of these girls?
Yes, nah.
Some of them I not blame them because my brother, the guy where they see you toast you, the first thing where they the guy mind not to chop
you.
Yeah.
so if the guy they see you to chop you
to
sef
chop him money.
or you self chop him when you go dey 10 steps ahead
so
of the guy.
indirectly so make them chop with conscience.
Not be chop with conscience.
Without conscience.
Chop but plan and where.
Wahala.
You see this FMT, he walk down.
Wow.
See, even if guys don't know this thing,
Still do am, he go walk.
he go still do am, he go walk.
This FMT not the cast. He's never walk.
And guys, they do their own FMT too.
Yes, sir.
Guy go
First
keep
impression.
500. Wait now, Becca, talk true, more not lie.
First impression.
Let me be first impression.
No, first impression.
No, okay, Becca. A guy go keep 500k to take chop your work. After he don't chop him, he don't finish. Now see the 500k R&B. And every guy get your own budget.
Yes, so.
Every guy get your own budget.
My own buy
this
my
side.
past 500k.
No, Becca, put just do 500k.
No, calm down.
If I give you blow.
Every time I bring your own come
I must
250.
be your
Ah,
salary.
you are who? No. Use another person.
Sorry.
I got
More
500k. What's that?
Hey, go enter Becca DM. What's up, Becca? Oh, I didn't even know you are the one. I just saw. I said, let me follow Naija FM. I
This
just
now
saw.
after 2 months when you don't follow him, Becca don't follow him back. He no message him.
No, Papa, leave this one. That one another plate. They go.
Yee.
You they go far.
A new one.
Ije.
Okay.
You go just enter your DM. I didn't know this is the Becca I've been hearing her voice on radio. Oh my God, your voice is so lovely. And by the way, can I add, you are very beautiful. In fact, let me describe you. You are a beautiful, perfect reflection of God's beauty in a person.
Oh my God.
You know what? I need to appreciate you. Send me your account number. Then not put your father away.
You send an instant.
You
This
send-
one.
No,
And guess what?
This one.
And guess what? He will send you 100k or 150k. Your
Step
budget
up.
remain 350. Then after he don't send you that money, he go leave you for like 1 week. Now you go the message him. Thank you, I've seen the money. He not go reply the message. Then
You
one
call him-
day,
he Becca will say, are there men like this?
are they men like
Without sleeping with me,
Without
just
sleeping
send me such money.
just send me such money. Then wait. The guy, well, after 1 week, the guy will message you. Oh, sorry, I've been very busy. How are you? I hope you got the money I sent you. Say yes. Okay. Oh, sorry, I've been seeing your messages. Okay, do you know what? And let me make it up to you. Are you free this afternoon? Let's do lunch. Baba, you go hurry. Then you come. Maybe the guy go send you motor. The guy motor come pick you up after lunch. The guy no go tell you, see me full and go house.
No.
You go withdraw 50k from your budget. 300k remain. You carry 50k.
From his savings.
From your savings. Now cash, he go give you the money. Take for your TP. Then you go. He go burn you again. Another 1 week. Then the next time you go to say, sorry, I've been busy. The only time I even have is this weekend. I'm actually traveling out. Okay, do you know what? How about you come spend this week? Is it something? Would you
He
want
go
to
ask
sleep out?
politely, maybe you be the one to
Is it
accept.
something you want to do? Would you want to sleep out? 'Cause,
No.
like, would you want? Okay, it's okay then. How about you? Okay, just come and visit me. He's not my Becca. Nah, lie.
Yeah.
Lie.
No.
Any man
I
we
say
don't give
no.
that back.
No.
Then she'll call reach out.
No.
Once she don't reach out,
You
the
cannot
guy
say.
go down withdraw 100k from your 300k balance.
From your savings
It's
account.
Now for your
small
savings
now.
account. Now that 100k way withdraw, you go put that for inside drawer. Then after you now being the girl, your mind don't come down. You don't be free with the guy. Oh my God, he's scary.
Is this my missing rib?
Is this my missing rib? He's a giver.
Stick meat.
Wait, he's a giver. Then after the guy don't chop your food, you go one go. The guy go say, shit, how do I can't even do transfer. Okay, no, check that drawer.
Yes.
You go check the drawer. You go see the full 100k there. You go one take small. You go say no, take all of them.
Your friends will hear this story.
You're my brother.
Just meet.
Like, oh my God, like, oh.
No be maybe na Gen Z badges na they talk about.
My,
I
see,
be millennial.
300k, my guy don't chop you.
No, you
The
no go
problem
chop
now
me.
na say
You no go
at
chop me.
Becca level now.
Nah.
She don't pass that
Nah.
level.
Okay, maybe
So
you
that-
get
No,
that
see me
5M.
chop. No, see me
Oh, say,
chop.
she don't dey pour water?
No, see me chop. You know why? Because this guy don't even introduce plenty of people if you do that kind of thing. Maybe say I give the top time ask kind of here.
Oh, Becca.
They send
Becca,
they send 100K. Send-
Becca,
I don't lie.
wait, Becca.
Well, we'll
Becca,
contact this
that
guy.
guy- that guy-
Sister
Arabi, wait.
Nothing happen.
Becca, let's be
Don't
honest.
see
Me
me
and you,
shop anything.
forget anything. Forget morals, forget anything. Make me and you, let's be honest. A guy come to you right now. I appreciate you.
Okay.
Becca, you're beautiful.
Thank you so much.
As in one come out, he carry 10,000 give you. Dollars.
Okay.
carry waka comot.
I go plan a
Baba,
traditional
wait.
wedding for
Baba,
you.
wait. As the guy carry waka comot. Una exchange numbers, so Becca dey hear this. The guy carry waka comot. The guy not disturb you again.
Yeah.
For like 1 week or 2 weeks. Then the truth is, Becca go the message am. Thank you for the message. You're wonderful.
Thanks for the other day.
Me and Becca, mama go the message.
Thank you for the other day. Then the guy go come appear back. Becca, carry black card. Give you
unlimited spending.
And the guy go don't ask you for your data page.
Yeah.
He don't book a flight for you to go Dubai, do everything. Carry card, give you, say spend anything where you want spend. You go. You go there if you want to go alone, you want to go with somebody. You go do the flight for that person. Then when I go together, you go spend behu. When you don't spend, come back. My guy, if you not get your time for like 1 week or 2 weeks.
I even they lie me they not get my time.
Talk
They
to me,
like
say
am.
you not go 1 minute. You go the wet.
Where to kill it?
Tag
Where to
out.
kwa? No.
So I there they deceive
No,
herself.
I know they deceive
My but now
myself.
your mama go dey
No,
tell you say,
maybe.
my daughter, you don't want to go. I will go. I will go.
Maybe that the Becca of before.
But the Becca,
But the Becca now.
She don't see like you know say
Not
yeah.
the
They
woman I
shock
Becca
me
like.
again.
It's
No.
not the girls Becca like.
No.
The level where Becca
no.
did now.
No, I know. I
Now
haven't
baby
been.
lady stage now she did.
Which
Don't be baby girl, baby lady stage.
baby lady? Okay, now come marry. Husband you dey find now.
I'm supposed to give this guy a blow.
Now husband you dey okay, now come marry.
See, hello.
If don't be say,
I forgive you. So now I explain where Becca did.
Adibi,
I didn't
I do you now. I will give you a slap now.
So Becca did the level where Lady J don't give for a while. You don't see her straight to the point.
No, Becca. No mention Becca with the lady Joe. That's my mom.
Oh, yeah, go talk about this now,
what
Gary.
you do? You will not be forgiven. She will make sure that you don't make heaven.
I know, lady Joe know I love her. See, when I don't talk about her backyard time.
Oh yeah, maybe they go.
Oh yeah, no, talk the one we
Talk
want
this
to talk.
last one.
Thank you so much. And I don't hear of that man wey fake in debt so that you no go dey do child support give him shit.
I not blame.
No
See, the man wey fake in debt for making all the pay child support. I not blame him.
Which country now? US,
My
have you?
brother,
Kentucky.
every part of the world now,
It's
economy is hard. But go shelves for UK. Prices of things are crazy. Yankee prices of things are crazy. Baba, I buy mineral yesterday, 350 naira. I shout.
Yes, so.
I say what?
Yeah, 500 or 450.
Now traffic, I buy mineral. The guy say 350.
Yeah.
I give her 1K for my mind. I say I go collect change of like maybe 800. No, 850.
No, you are
thief,
still in
oh.
this Nigeria.
You are a thief.
No,
I
one.
know
I know they buy things.
I know they buy something.
I know they buy, so I don't know.
150.
Man, they just drop money. I don't know the price of these things. Now, I see a person buying noodles the other day. I say a carton of noodles, not supposed to 3K now. He said,
No,
He said, which year? He said, now 15,000, 12,000. I'm like, what?
Yeah.
You are not in this country, Oga Nedu.
No, be say I know they this country. Now, you know, say, when not be you, they do the purchasing.
Yeah, you don't know how.
You don't know how much this thing. You wanna just drop bar. You come back as you see
your
food.
coffee say we drop by the cheating.
You understand? You call the thing say your house manager feel they cheat
So
you or
say for
something.
husband now, they go market now.
We go ourselves this
They don't
day.
they let their wife go again.
Maybe what are you buying? Is it a pet rubber tomatoes? I'll buy it.
But even condom don't cost so. Even condom don't cost. Now my brother, STD even better pass the.
No.
That
We
was
don't
his
talk
friend
that
wey
you.
come that day. Now 300k you use though.
No, 250K.
My brother, okay, condom don't do expensive now.
Yeah, the least, the minimum, if you see that normal one, now see 900, 1,000 to depend on how you buy.
Yeah, he's talking from
I'm
experience.
very familiar with the price.
1,000 naira the minimum of condom. So if
Yes,
you my brother
Instead
condom
of
will be
4
50
naira,
naira.
they dey inside.
Yeah.
Instead of 4 when they dey for
Baba they talk.
Now 3 they did now.
Yes, now so.
That one when
You don't be like sardine now. Sardine now come on go begin this very soon.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. Abeg, make you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.